In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can apply gradient color in PowerPoint presentation or in your PowerPoint presentation. So let's go quick into the process. First is you just need to open your presentation in the Microsoft PowerPoint. And then what you can do first is you need to select the slide that you want to apply the gradient color. So let's say I'm going to add this on the first slide. Then we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top, and here we can find the design tab. Here we can find this option format background, and here you can find the gradient fill. Click on that, and here you have here the gradient stops. So you have here the colors. So there are four colors that you can choose from. So you have four crayons in here. Now click on the first crayon and choose your color from here. Okay, then for the second crayon, now for the third crayon, but it's up to you if you want to fill all of the crayons. And then for the fourth one, and you can also adjust this one depending on your preference and your style, like that. You also have here the direction. If you want to go like that, it's up to you. Okay, and then you also have here the transparency, the position, and the brightness. Okay, like that. And then once done, you just need to simply click on apply. If you want to apply this to all the slides, you can simply do that. But if you just want to apply this for the first slide, and then you can just also simply do that. So that's it. That's how you can easily apply the gradient fill on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.